Hi, I'm Fred Savage. No relation. Star Wars, Casablanca, Too Fast, Too Furious. These are all films that I would have killed to work on. And I am a professional Foley artist. Fart Foley artist. Foley art is one of the most underrated, unseen, and unknown jobs in Holly weird. Maybe we know that it's a fake gun in the scene, and then someone later adds a bang bang. But what about farts? Have you ever thought of that?
Did you just soil yourself?
Maybe.
Anyone can make a fart noise with their mouth. Kids do it. But what I do is I try to get in deep into a fart to get to know their personality.
Uh-oh, fart.
Yeah, Charlie Babbitt, I'll hold.
Fart.
Did you fart, Ray?
Fart.
All right, you hear how that one sounds a little mischievous? It's like, I'm a bad boy. I'm a bad boy fart. Oh, that's a little regal, a little more royal. That's a princess fart right there. But it's not all farts. I tell you, if I could make a living on farts alone, I'd be a lucky man. But I can't. Okay, so in this scene right here, we needed the kid to burp, but nobody likes a little kid burp. It's a well-known fact. So they needed someone to come in and overdub these stinky little kid burps.
Help! Help! No! Please turn off the fan! Oh! You gotta burp out, it's the only way. Attaboy! Burp again! Attaboy, come on!
You know that there are apps now that are putting people like me out of business? And even before these apps, they had whoopee cushions, you know? Our whole industry is under attack. I've been trying really hard. I've been trying really, really hard, you know? But sometimes you have to go above the call of duty. Duty. Get it? So, you start with a simple fart, and then you layer in some bass tones, and then we add this. You add all those sounds together, and it sounds like diarrhea. I guarantee it's diarrhea. To the average person, they wouldn't know that it wasn't diarrhea.
It's happening! It's happening! It's happening! It's happening! It happened. What are you doing? It happened.
If that's not the most convincing sound, I don't know what is. Oops, I just shit myself.